Hey, welcome back to Renegade Customs. We're gonna go take this thing out and go have some fun. Let's play. Stay tuned. So we got the luggage truck started. Let's have some fun. Up, two-wheel drive. There's four-wheel. Run it over! Try not to run over everything. Got a lot of four-wheel drive. And this thing's got some power. Not a dime. Woo! Look at the drifters. Doesn't like to stay in four-wheel drive all the time. Cab has moved just a little bit. Well, I think we might have broke the four-wheel drive. We're moving. Maybe we got the flat tire. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, that's what it feels like. Flat tire. Yep, let's go check. Well, that one's good. Yep, this side looks like it's flat. Yeah, we blew it off the bead. Too much fun. Yeah, next time. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little run around with the luggage truck having fun. Because I know I sure did. I love beating this thing every once in a while. Of course, now we got to fix the 39. Shouldn't be a problem. We'll rip it back off the rim. We'll check it. It should go back on. Shouldn't be that ruined. But she rips. Gotta love it. Till next time. So, we got the tire off. We got a little bit of rubbing on the brake line, but it didn't go all the way through, so it's still good. The tire totally de-beaded off the back of the rim. Well, at least it didn't break the brake line. Yeah, here's the tire. We got it off. I didn't have to de-bead it because the truck did it itself. But the problem was, there it is. What's missing? the valve stem. It broke off. That's why the tire went flat. Well, we'll rebeat it, and we'll put this metal valve stem with shorter in it. And hopefully that one will work. So we'll see if this will take air, or if we'll have to get a tube. Well, got the tire back on. Got the new shiny chrome metal valve stem in. Take that off. Now we're ready for some air. Once the air compressor airs up, we'll see if this thing will take air. Oh, let's put some air in it. See if this thing will hold. Oh, sounds like it's going. Is it? Yep. Oh, there it goes. Now a little more pop. That's taking air. That's good. Now we'll see if it will hold. Well, holding the air. Now we can put it back on in the morning. And we'll see if it actually holds air through the night before putting it back on the truck. I've made that mistake before. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good night.